Hello, welcome back to the Leukopak Lady. A walk through the importance of collection center and supporting infrastructure to the success of cell and gene therapy would not be complete without a discussion of the talent workforce. In the last episode, I stated that talent is a major constraint facing the cell and gene therapy industry, especially on the collection and pre-manufacturing side. So the systems required for commercial cell therapy are complex. They require expertise in donor biology and testing, collection operations, processing and cryopreservation, storage and transport logistics, manufacturing, and quality and regulatory strategy. Leaders and staff at collection and processing centers need to be well versed in this entire value chain and how everything connects. One of the main problems with the cell and gene therapy talent workforce is that there are no nationally recognized training programs at any level. A few universities and health systems have implemented physician training in cell therapy, but medical technologist training does not yet include a curriculum on cell therapy testing, processing, or manufacturing. And those who have received on-the-job training in these areas are spread across collection centers, manufacturing sites, logistics providers, developers, and regulatory agencies. This lack of defined training programs and curriculum creates fragmentation, knowledge gaps, communication challenges, and inconsistent execution. And the long-term consequence for this disconnected talent workforce ultimately increases program risk, slows development and commercialization timelines, and leads to higher costs. Commercialization is especially impacted by weak and widely distributed talent in cell and gene therapy. Systems do not get implemented correctly, variability is not properly understood or controlled, and risks are identified too late or are poorly corrected. This affects time to commercialization, cost of goods, regulatory confidence, and patient access. So as you know, I'm a fan of regional processing hubs and collection consolidation. This would lead to talent concentration, more standardized systems, reduced variability, accelerated learning curves and adaptation, and easier regulatory compliance. Consolidation of infrastructure equals consolidation of expertise. And that is what's best for this industry right now, while the training and curriculum catches up to the industry needs. So this will require a strategic shift from distributed and fragmented operations to integrated and specialized systems. And this shift is necessary for successful scaling and commercialization of therapies, and we must keep that in mind as we design and update this part of the value chain. And as systems become more centralized, more integrated, more complex, the industry must begin defining who owns the risk across these systems, how regulators will evaluate the interconnected models, and how cell therapy companies will demonstrate control across multiple partners. Join me for the final section of Season 3, where I explore regulation, risk, and the road ahead for commercial cell therapies. See you then.